Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnCodeEasy. In today's video, we are going to create a calculator using HTML, CSS and very simple JavaScript. You can see here a simple calculator design and we can perform all the calculations here. If we click on any button, these numbers are showing on this display and we can also perform all these operations here. If we click on this plus icon and any number and press equal to, it will display the result. You can click this button to delete one number and we can click this AC button to clear the screen like this. Let's add another number here and click equal to. It will give the result. So this is the working calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So before starting this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. It really motivates me to create more tutorials like this. So let's start the video. So this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structure and this one is the CSS file. In this HTML file I have added this link tag to connect HTML and CSS file and here we have the page title. Let me open this web page with any web browser. So you can see this web page. This is blank right now. So let's come back to the code file again and here within the body tag we will create one div with the class name container. And for this container, we will add the CSS. So write this container here in the CSS file and here we will add the width 100%, height 100 VH. Then we will add the background with one color code. After that, come back to the web page. You can see this color on the complete web page. Now we will come back to the HTML file again. And within this container, let's create one div with the class name calculator. In this calculator, we will create one form with the form tag and in this form we will add different input fields. So here we will add one div and in this div we will add one input. Input type will be text and name it will be display. So in this one we will display the result of the calculations. After that we will add another div. We will add input field. Input type will be button because we have to add 4 buttons in one row. Input type will be button and write the value will be AC. All clear and after that we will duplicate it. Here will be add DE for delete. Then we will add one dot and slash. This is for the first row. After adding this, let's come back to the web page. You can see this input field here, which is the text field. And then we have 4 buttons. Now we have to move all these things in the center. So let's move to the code. Come to the CSS file. Within this container, we will add display flex, align item center, justify content center. After that, come back to the web page. You can see it is in the center of the web page. Let's come back to the code and here we have the class name calculator. For this calculator, we will change the background. Then we will add some padding to add a space. Then we will add border radius. It will be 10 pixel so that the corner will be rounded by 10 pixel. You can see the changed color for the calculator background. After that we will add other buttons here. Right now we have added only 4 buttons. Similarly we will add other buttons. So let's come back to the code. And here in this div we have 4 buttons. So let's duplicate this complete div and we will change the value here. We will add the value 7, then 8, next one is 9, this one is asterisk, that is for the multiply. Let's duplicate this div again and here will be change the value. It will be 4, then 5, 6, and here let's add minus. Again duplicate it, and in this one will be add 1, 2, 3, and after that plus. Now we will duplicate this div again, and here let's add 0 2 times, then single 0, and next one is equal to. Here we will add only 3 buttons. Let's delete this one. After that we will come back to the web page. You can see we have one large input field. Then we have other buttons like this. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all the operators for multiply, plus, minus, and divide. Next we have to design all these buttons. So let's come back to the code. Come to the CSS file. Here we will add calculator, and in this calculator we have the form, and in this form we have input field. So here we will add input. For these input we will add border 0, outline also 0. Then we will add the width and height, that will be same, so that it will be a square button. It is 60 pixel. Then we will add border radius of 10 pixel, and we will add box shadow. There will be two box shadow. One is light color and one dark color. This is light color shadow, and it will be in the top left side, and after that we will add one comma and add another shadow here, and it will be the right bottom, 5 pixel, then 5 pixel, 50 pixel, and change the color. Then we will add the background will be transparent, and let's increase the font size will be 20 pixel, and color will be white, and cursor pointer, and we will add margin will be 10 pixel, so that we will get a space between all buttons. After adding this, again come back to the browser. You can see these buttons looks good. At the top here we will display the result, and right now it is displaying like a square, so we have to increase its width, and there will be no shadow. It won't display like a box. So let's come back to the code. Here in the HTML file you can see we have the input type text, and name is equal to display. So this is the div here. We will add one class name is display, and we will add CSS for this display. So let's come back to the CSS file here. We will add form.display. Display will be flex, justify content flex, and so the content will be in the right side, and margin 20 pixel from top and bottom, and left right 0. After that again copy this and paste it here. In this display we have to input field with the name display. So for this input field we will text align right, and flex will be 1, so it will be full width. Then font size will be 45 pixel, and box shadow will be none. There will be no box shadow after adding this. Again come back to the browser. You can see the plain area at the top where we will display the result. Now here you can see the square button is in the square form, so we will increase its width, so it will be use the double space. For that let's come back to the code. Here at the end we have the input type button, value equal, so here add one class name is equal, and we will add the CSS for this one. So let's copy this and paste it here. We will add form input dot equal. Let's add width 145 pixel, and after that you can see the width of this equal button is double. Then other button. Now the alignments of all the buttons are looking good. Next we have to add the functionality. Whenever we click on any number, that number should display in the display area. So let's come to the HTML file. So we will add the click feature in these numbers. So let's start with this 7. Here we will add on click display dot. Here you can see we have the input with the name display. Write this display dot value equal to. In this equal we will add one value that will be displayed inside the display area when we will click on this button called 7. So whenever we click on this 7, it should display the 7 itself. After adding this, let's come back to the web page again. And if we click on 7, you can see 7 is displaying in this area. And if we click this 7 again, you can see nothing is happening. It means the 7 is replacing the content, but we need to double 7 here. So let's come back to the before this equal, we will add plus. That's it. After adding this, let's come back. Here we will click on 7. It is displaying 7. If we click again, it is displaying double 7. Let's click again, it is displaying triple 7. So this button is working fine. Similarly, we will do the same things with other buttons. Let's come back here and copy this and paste it here. Write it. In this one, we will add 9. This is one, we will add asterisk or multiply. Here we will add 4. Let's add 5. Then 6. Here we will add minus. It will be 1, 2, 3 and plus. It will be 0, 0, then 0. That's it. We have added on click on all the numbers. So let's come back, and here if we click on 7, it is displaying 7. Click on 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. So their number are working. Let's refresh, and if we click on this multiply minus plus, it is also working. Let's come back, and here we have to add the click function on these buttons. So let me copy this one, and we will come in the first input field. Here we will add display.value equal, remove this plus equal to just blank code. So it will be delete everything. The display will be empty because this button name is AC, means all clear. Let me copy this and add it here. We will add dot and plus, paste it here. We will add plus and slash. So there are similar things, but in this one we have to delete only one number. So here let's add on click equal display dot value equal, again same thing, display dot value dot to string, and in this string we have to remove the last number. So here we will add slash 0 minus 1. So we have to add this on click equal to display dot value equal display dot value dot to string dot slash 0 minus 1. After adding this, let's come back to the web page again. Let's type any number and click on this delete. It is deleting one number. Let's click again. It will delete one number. Let's click on the number again and click the AC. That is for the all clear. It should clear all the screen. So these buttons are working fine. Next we have to add the click function on this equal button that will perform the calculations. So let's come back, and at the end we have this input type button value equal. So in this one here we will add on click equal display dot value equal. Here we will add eval, that is for evaluate. It will evaluate the content written in the display input field. So write eval display dot value. That's it. After adding this, again come back to the web browser. And if we click 7 minus 2 and click equal, we will get the result. Let's add plus 8. Here we will get the result. Now this calculator is working fine. Next we have to add the button color in the first row buttons and the last column buttons. So let's come back, and in the first row we have 3 buttons. So for all 3 buttons let's add a class name operator like this. And in this second one, also in the third and fourth one. After that, come back to the CSS here. We will add dot operator and color. Before this operator, we will add form and input like this. You can see this color in the buttons, which is in the first row. Next, we will add the color in this last column also. So let's come back, and in the last button here, we will add the same thing, class operator. Here also class operator. Here also. And in this one here, we already have a class name equal. So write space and write operator like this. After that, you can see colors in the multiply, plus, minus or equal. So finally we have completed this calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel LearnCodeEasy to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.